Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Sassy Show. It's me, Pinkie Pie, and today we are going to the Forest Animal World. And today is going to be a very exciting day because we are going to visit the zoo. And in the zoo, it will be a lot of fun. We will have so much fun there. Yes, and there is going to be a lot of animals being over there, right, every pony? Yes. Now it's time to go inside the zoo.
Okay.
Let's go inside the zoo.
Okay, I'll go first. Twinkle.
Twilight Sparkle.
Twilight Sparkle. I'll go first.
And then Rainbow Dash is going next.
Alright, it's me, Rainbow Dash. I'm coming.
And then Spike is going next.
Alright. Ooh, Spike. Okay.
And then Applejack.
Oh, Applejack, my turn. I can't wait to go there.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Rarity.
Yeah, it's my turn. Yoo-hoo! We're going to the forest. Forest adventure. We're going to see a lot of friends there.
Yeah. Now Fluttershy. Hello. I'm Fluttershy. I'm very excited to go inside the forest adventure. I never went on adventure. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wow. There's so many animals here. Come on, Pinkie Pie. I'm coming. Wow, there's many animals here. This place is very nice, and I like that the bear is sitting on the horse. Can you see that, Rainbow Dash? Can you see that, Pinkie Pie? Yes, I can see that. And also the monkeys are on the trees. And they like to be over there. It's very nice looking.
Hello, monkey. You love to hang out there in the coconut tree?
Yes, it is very fun. Do you know what is my name, Pinkie Pie? Because I have a name. Oh, I don't know what's your name. What's your name? My name is Honey Money. I am Honey.
What? Honey Money? Wow, that was a cool name. Super duper.
My name is Honey Money.
All right, I love it.
My name is Honey Money, the monkey.
How about the next one?
Oh, my name is Lemon Unicorn Fun.
Ooh,
My name is Lemon Unicorn Fun.
Wow, what a unique name.
And also, my other name is Clowny.
Okay.
All right, now I'm going to film the camel.
Oh, that is a camel. Wow. Hello, Mr. Camel. Are you having fun with Mr. Monkey?
Moo. Moo. Moo, 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 moo. Yes, we are having a fun time. Now I want to go on the deer. Okay.
Pinkie Pie? So Mr. Deer is so friendly, so you can hang up over there, right?
Yeah. I'm going on deer. And on the lion. Come on, lion, be nice to me. I only want some fun.
Wow.
And then the pony, and then the
What in the world? They are so friendly, even the Mr. Lion. Hello, Lion. Can I come hang up over here also on your back? Whoa, this
Roar.
is so fun.
Roar, yes, you can. I'm on the horsey. Watch me go on the camel. Jump on the lion, jump on the pony. Come on, guys, let's go to the other side. Come on. I'm coming. Come on, every pony. Come on. Look, there is a cow over here. Moo moo. And there is also a monkey over here. Nice monkey. And there's an elephant. There's a mommy monkey and a baby monkey. A little rabbit over there. A deer. And is that a cat? That's a cat. And there's a tall giraffe and another cow. It's a very nice time being over here.
Yeah,
and it's really fun.
And there is called a ferocious bees. Ooh,
That's a very funny name.
Ooh, yeah.
I never heard of anything like that.
Wow, beautiful forest world. Look at that. There's a lot of flowers on the grass. White color.
Yeah, and this monkey is a chimpanzee maybe. It might be. And also there's a very funny elephant. It looks very small. And there's a bunny over here.
Oh,
and there's Mr. B.
Mr. B is so OMG.
Mr. B. Mr. B. And here we have a wild dog.
Wow.
Hey, can anybody give me some food? Okay. And we have a little hamster here.
Oh.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Wow, little hamster. Wow, I love it. Wow, you're so cute. Even to Mr. Happy. Who is this? Honeybee. Oh,
Mr. B.
Mr. B, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Mr. Magician Bee.
Wow, I love to see this giraffe. She has a long-legged, tall and long-legged. Wow.
Yeah, and the giraffe can eat leaves.
Oh yeah, and I love that pattern, the color.
Hey Fluttershy, do you know what kind of flower are these? They're flying flowers.
Yes, tell me please.
They're flying flowers, this thing.
Flying flowers?
Yeah.
Oh, first time I heard that.
If you blow them, then they will fly away.
Whoa, this is an exciting day. What a wonderful day to have here in the forest adventure. Whoa.
Yeah.
This is so much fun. We can see those animals were wild animals, some wild animals.
Yeah.
And there is some also wild kitty.
Excuse me, why did you disturb my slumber? I am having my slumber right now.
What? No. Whoa. We just have a sightseeing here, you guys.
Yeah, but you disturbed my slumber.
Oh, I'm sorry. I never meant that.
What are you? What are you, Pony? Why did you come over here? This is my house. This is where I live. We just only came here for the zoo because I never went to a zoo. And sorry that we disturbed you, but we just want to have some adventures, right?
Oh, there is also a bird, a giant bird. Wow.
Tweet. I'm an ice bird. I can freeze you whenever you make me angry. So don't make me angry. Meow. Hello, I'm a bunny, and I am the snow bunny. I live in the South Pole. I live in the South Pole, which is very nice there and very cold, and I never wear a jacket.
Oh, really? In the South Pole?
Yeah,
wow,
and I don't even
was,
shiver.
That was a nice place. All the time is cool.
And also sometimes I live in outer space. What? You live in also outer space? Okay, that is funny. I never seen any animal that lives in outer space. Well, I do, for you. And I'm a hoppy bunny. See me hop? Boing, 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 boing. Okay, every pony will have some pictures. And there is some pictures right over here. And yeah, we have like a stand over here. And where's the camera? Here's the camera. And also some ponies should take a picture of all of us.
Okay, come on.
Some ponies should take a picture of all of us. I'm coming. Do.
Okay,
I'm
Rarity.
Rarity.
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow. I'm Applejack. And I'm Twilight. I am Spiky. I am Spike. Now who's going to take a picture of us? I will. I am the picture cat. I will take a picture of you. And I know how to take a picture for you because it's my first time to take a picture. Now, every pony say cheese. Rainbow Dash, look at the picture. Rainbow Dash, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Yeah, come on.
And Pinkie Pie too. And
Everybody
Spike.
say cheese. We just have some remembrance here in the forest world.
Every pony say cheese. Cheese. Ching. Again. Cheese. Ching. Again. Cheese. Ching. Now we are going to take pictures of the animals. Say cheese. Ching. Say cheese. Cheese. Cheers. Ching. Ching. Good one. Now we have some remembrance for the zoo and what animals that we have met and also some funny names. And also, you guys are also pretty funny too, especially Pinkie Pie. Oh, okay. Well, it is a nice time being over here. Right, every pony? Yeah, it sure is. This is a wonderful, exciting day today. I had a lot of fun. Okay, every pony, I think that it is enough for today. We had a lot of fun at the zoo, but it's time to go back home and say goodbye to the animals and creatures and funny creatures over here.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. See you next time.
Yes, see you next time. See you next time. Bye, every pony. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to never miss any new videos. Bye. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Yes,
Hello.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye. See you on our next video. Bye. This is for now for the forest adventure. Have some fun. We just have some fun. Fun.
Roar. Goodbye. Bye.